Hi, welcome to the quick method. Let's talk about how to give a border or outline to an image in Canva. So please watch this full video and I'll guide you through the whole process. And if you like the video, please follow and subscribe. So let's get started. So I'll head on to my screen and you just have to open your Canva account. So let's open my Canva account. And here, as you can see, we have plenty of templates to choose. You can choose any that you're working on. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just choosing an Instagram post. Okay, now as you can see that we have chosen a template, and now let's say you have an image that you want to give a border to. So let's say let me choose something interesting that has it's a full image. Okay, so let's say this is the image that you want to give border. Okay, now the thing is that if you click on it, you will see that there's a corner rounding option that you can use to basically round its corners. Okay, so then what we have a border here. Okay, so this is the border weight that you can add, and as you can see, as I increase the size of the border around the image gets thicker and thicker. And then you have dotted borders as well, so you can choose any style that you want. Okay, now the thing is that this is a simple image that you have given a border to, and usually while you're designing you don't like the rectangular pictures, so I can make it a bit rounded with the corners. Okay, now it's rounded and it has a border. Okay, but when you will be using this in your design, it needs to be in a frame, right? So if you're using it any design, so it has to be inside a frame. So how will you do that? So basically you have to go into your elements, and here you want to find frames. Okay, so let's say I just write frame, and now you will be given a lot of options to choose from. So there are a lot of shapes that you can choose, and this picture will fit in those frames perfectly. So let me show you how. So let's say I pick this circular frame over here, and I just drag my picture into it, and it will go like this. Okay, now it is inside a frame. We have made a perfect circular shape out of this image. Now how to give its border? Again, you have this border style here, so you can just choose this, and then you can give it any border that you want. Okay, now in case that you don't see this option, so in some cases you have some objects or some images that don't give you this option of border around that object. So what you can do is, there is an alternative way that you just click on that object, and then you go into the edit option, and if you press edit, you will see these options, and under effects you will see shadows. So just configure that or click on that, and here under shadows you will see plenty of options that you can give to your design. So basically you can page lift it like this, so it will become a 3D kind of object. And then you have the outline, so you can pick that outline and you can choose its color. You can make it red, blue, anything you want, and then you can choose the size of this outline. So this is another way of giving a border or an outline to your image in Canva. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.